So we're headed over the mountain range over there. I say we because it's Hunter and I. It's 2 miles over and 2 miles back, which is exactly twice as far as he normally goes. So we shall see what we shall see. What do you think, Hunter? Yeah. We're kind of halfway to Burro Pass. Where we're coming from, there's One Tree Mountain. Hunter. There's the boy. Hunter off the lead, and he actually doesn't like it off the lead. But this is after 3.5 miles. Look at that guy. Comes right back. Hunty, come back. Look at that boy. What a good doggy. You've almost done 4 miles.